guys! So today we're at the Northampton Active Centre, as you can see right there. And we are about to learn some canoeing. So we're super excited for that. And I know it's not the best of weather. Like, it looks like it's gonna rain. But we're not gonna let that come in the way of learning new skills, enjoying ourselves and having fun. Hey guys, so check out, there's even a cafe there. That's actually really cool. Oh, and there's a bridge. Hey guys, check it out. Look at this wall, it looks so pretty. Wow. And there's lots of birds around here too. Wow guys, this place is so pretty. Oh, and I think those might be the canoes that we might be using. So I think that this is the area that we're going to be learning canoeing in. Wow, it looks so beautiful, mashallah. Wow. That's so cool.
I can just notice a few clips that are missing on the buoyancy aids just while we're standing around. So we've just got this one here for you, needs doing up.
Hey guys, so we've got all of our safety equipment on and we're ready to go. We're super excited. So let's go.
No, careful.
Alright guys, so we hope that you guys enjoyed our canoeing adventure. We had a great time, alhamdulillah. And until next time, take care, peace be on to you, and bye!